Hi, I'm Porter.
And I'm Henry.
Today we'll be unboxing the iPad Pro, the Apple Pencil, and the iPad Pro's
Magic keyboard.
So we'll start off with the Apple Pencil. You do not need a knife, so don't roll your cooking knives. They have the poles. I think we've mentioned that before, but they do have the poles on this and iPad Pro, but sadly not the Magic Keyboard, as you'll see later. As we open it up, you can see the Magic, the Apple Pencil, which you can just...
What is show all the packing material. Just take it out.
Oh,
There we go.
you can just kind of slightly take it out, and there it is. Very little use of
All right,
packing
that gets
material.
thrown away.
And as we go through, again, you just pull up and on it, and there you go. And nice and neat.
That gets thrown away as well.
Yeah, that does get thrown away. And as you will notice, you just have to get this out. And then there's another one which you pull from the side.
Oh, there's another tab. There we go.
So usually you slide it out like at the bottom. They have changed.
But that doesn't get thrown away. You keep that.
I know. And then labels.
This is the Apple Pencil 2.
Yeah, this is the Apple Pencil 2. So.
Let's see the Apple Pencil.
And there's the Apple Pencil. And I use the Apple Pencil a lot for drawing, the Apple Pencil 1 on my own personal iPad. And I can already tell you, this feels a lot smoother than the other one because it's a rough plastic. This one feels very smooth.
Okay.
And I like how it grooves into your hand. It fits nicely.
All right, so we got an Apple Pencil. All right.
It feels very nice.
Next, we're going to move on to... That's some more
case.
stuff that goes into the pile of throwaway.
So
this is where he tries to figure out how to open it without cutting the
This is such a
keyboard.
dull knife.
I'm gonna move away.
Why'd you get... This is just a dull knife.
Yeah, from cutting Apple boxes in the past.
How about we not cut down like that and not put that pressure?
Get a new knife.
Or we can just take this here and just come across. Be careful. Do not push straight down. Do not go down across the top. Go sideways. All right, no stitches. All right, that goes through our pile of...
This is the new keyboard that they designed.
With trackpad.
All right, you're gonna... Goes into the garbage pile. Garbage pile is growing. Landfill is filling. To the garbage pile.
And
Oh, whoa, what's in here?
oh,
Do we have stickers? Let's see if we have stickers. Stickers, $300 and something. They didn't tell me, don't tell me they didn't give me any stickers.
nope, it's an instruction manual.
No stickers, Apple.
Showing you that you put it on there and you can move it and plug it in. Oh wow, things I totally didn't know.
All right, so this
But
is,
it's a lot heavier than it looks.
don't see it.
How do you like the feel
It's heavy, let me see.
compared
It's
to?
also stiff.
Oh, yeah, it's got some weight to it, some girth.
Give it a little keyboard.
It's not heavy, it's heavier than it looks. Set it over here.
All right, well, and now, well, the last item, we'll just leave this here. Move this, Apple Pencil, off to the side. And we're gonna do our tiebreaker by how we do our tiebreakers. I'm thinking of a.
So like, Dad,
A city.
I am thinking of a city. Hold on, give me. All right. Go ahead, Henry. So our tiebreakers are based on we do global.
Honolulu.
What? Honolulu. All right,
Oh,
Porter.
that's terrible. Yeah.
Porter, your turn.
Japan.
It's not a city. I win.
Where?
I
Japan?
win.
Where?
Tokyo.
Tokyo. It's not. And Henry does win because I was thinking of Dayton, Ohio.
Dad, wait, you said you would do it that they depended on whoever did better on boxing, the first object. And then you said.
You did a lot better because yours was a pole. Mine was a knife that was way too dull and couldn't cut anything.
And I
That's
literally go in the
junk. So this comes right out. By the way, this is our pile of garbage. And there's more garbage. Here's a question, Porter. Can you get all the garbage into this one box?
Oh, yeah.
Can you get all the garbage in that one box?
If I do, can I actually set up the iPad?
We're not doing that now, but we are going to be doing that later.
Can I actually?
All right, let's see. Carefully take the iPad out.
Can I have it for a week for testing? For art?
Yeah, no,
For a day?
maybe a day.
Yes.
So that is the iPad right there. Not much different than a Magic Keyboard.
How does it go on here?
I would actually talk if it was me.
Well, you're gonna match up you're gonna match up that
There.
and there. And then if we look at it from the side, voila. And here.
Oh, they included a charger for once.
And I think this
That's
goes
new.
up there.
That's new.
So there we go.
Well-
And Porter, are you able to get everything in there?
Well, no, they have a new feature. It's called having a charger.
Oh, a charger. That is a novel idea. Yes. So you still do get a charger. And what else? There's a cord. Just leave the cord here.
Micro USB.
So it is a USB. It is USB C to USB C, and it is USB C. Oh, we got stickers.
It just cost us the.
Oh, and it's
more
how
than
to use the
$300.
thing. This is nice.
And
It
our
has
Face
the
ID.
new OS. And it looks like they ran out of paper and it got cut off halfway.
And Porter, your job is not done yet. There's still some garbage that still needs to get in there. So when it's all said and done, we've got this amount of garbage. We've got the boxes, which are not garbage because we collect those. And we've got stickers and 2 boxes. So there we go. That's the iPad Pro, new M1 iPad Pro, 12.9 inch. And we take a look here. There's the only connector right there. You got the pencil that goes up here for charging and storage, and the keyboard. So it's basically your own little computer. And then this will be going into my studio, where I'll use it for Skype and Zoom and recording. So there you go. Check out podcast411.com for more information about me. But this show is obviously Today in iOS, and we'll have a new episode of Today in iOS out shortly, where I talk about this after getting it set up. Porter, anything you want to promote? And
Absolutely nothing. I don't have
nothing right now. Henry, nothing to promote? All right. So just tune in again to Today in iOS. We'll have a new episode out shortly.